solving linear equations in one variable. We want to solve the equation 2/3 minus 3/2 x equals 1/6 minus 7/3 x. Notice that this equation has fractions and we want to clear the fractions, in other words, get rid of them. And what we do is we multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD. So when I say that we're going to clear the fractions, the way we accomplish that is we're going to multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD. What is LCD? LCD means lowest common denominator. LCD stands for lowest common denominator. And what we mean by that is the least common multiple of the denominators. See, the denominators are 3, 2, and 6. So among those, the least common multiple is 6. So the LCD is 6. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply both sides of the equation, which means we're going to multiply each and every term by 6. So the left-hand side, we have 6 times the quantity 2/3 minus 3/2 x. And on the right-hand side, we have 6 times 1/6 minus 7/3 x. So remember that 6 is the same thing as 6/1. So if it's helpful to write it as 6/1, you can do that. So we have 6/1 times 2/3 minus 6/1 times 3/2 x equals 6/1 times 1/6 minus 6/1 times 7/3 x. So now when we simplify, what we do is cross cancel. Not cross multiply, but cross cancel. You can cancel like factors. 6 and 3, so they're a factor of 3. So what ends up happening is we have 6 can be written as 3 times 2. And this factor of 3 cancels with that factor of 3. So what I have now is 2 times 2, which is 4. Minus. And then similarly, we have cross-canceling happening again. And the next term is minus 9x because we cancel. 6/2 becomes 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And on the right side, we have 1 minus 14x. So notice what happened. The work that we just did accomplished what we wanted. We cleared the fractions. There are no more fractions. So now we have 4 minus 9x equals 1 minus 14x. So what I want to do now is get all the x's on one side and all the constant terms on the other. So it doesn't matter which side you choose. I'm going to choose the right side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 9x to both sides. And subtract 1 from both sides.